Hi, today I'm going to make an energy bead keychain. If you like, you can also use this as an energy bead bracelet. Simply take out your packet of energy beads from your kit and then string them on the string that's provided. Here we go. There. Now, once you have all of your beads strung on the string, tie 3 to 4 knots. 1, 2, 3. This will make your bracelet. To make the keychain, just tie the string around your keychain. One, 2, 3. Make sure that the knots are very, very tight and just cut off any excess string with a pair of scissors. My energy key ring. Save your keychain for the next few experiments.